Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Have you ever wondered what it's like to visit Ireland, the land of lush greens and rich culture? Imagine the feeling of excitement as your plane descends, the emerald landscape sprawling below like a patchwork quilt. As the wheels touch the tarmac, a sense of anticipation fills the air. Welcome to Ireland, a nation where every corner is steeped in history and every face greets you with a smile. The airport buzzes with the friendly atmosphere Ireland is known for, a warm welcome to all who touch down on its soil. A mention of the weather is a must. Expect mild, often changing conditions that add to the charm of this vibrant island. Don't be surprised if you experience 4 seasons in a day. Just beyond the airport, a world of beautiful landscapes waits, ready to captivate your senses and ignite your imagination. As we step out of the airport, the Irish adventure begins. First stop on our journey, Dublin, the heart of Ireland. Nestled on the eastern coast of Ireland, Dublin is a city that's rich in history and culture, yet exudes a youthful energy that's quite infectious. As we wander the cobblestone streets, we'll encounter centuries-old landmarks that stand as proud reminders of Dublin's historical significance. Take Trinity College, for example. Established in the 16th century, it's Ireland's oldest university and home to the iconic Book of Kells, a stunningly illuminated manuscript created by Celtic monks around the year 800. Then there's Dublin Castle, a majestic fortress that's walked through the pages of history, from its inception as a Viking settlement to its role as the seat of English administration in Ireland. Its grandeur and elegance are palpable, a testament to the past that's beautifully preserved for the future. But Dublin is not just about history. It's a city that thrives in the present, with a vibrant nightlife that's sure to keep you entertained. Traditional pubs echo with the sounds of lively music and laughter, while modern clubs pulsate with the rhythm of the latest beats. And the best part? The locals. Friendly, welcoming, and always up for a chat. They're the lifeblood of this city, infusing it with an irresistible charm. Dublin's love for arts and music is palpable too. From street performers playing traditional Irish tunes on Grafton Street, to art galleries showcasing Ireland's creative talents, the city is a cultural hub that celebrates its artistic heritage with gusto. And let's not forget the food. Dublin's culinary scene is as diverse as it is delicious, offering everything from traditional Irish fare like hearty stews and soda bread, to international cuisine that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. Dublin, a city that perfectly blends history and modernity, bids us farewell as we head towards the countryside. So buckle up and let's continue our journey through the Emerald Isle. Away from the city's hustle and bustle, Ireland's countryside awaits. This is where the true essence of Ireland comes alive, in its serene landscapes and timeless beauty. Imagine rolling green hills, dotted with quaint cottages and ancient castles, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the Irish countryside, a place that invites you to breathe deeply, to slow down, to connect with the earth beneath your feet and the sky above. Among the many gems that the countryside has to offer, the cliffs of Moher stand out as a must-see. These towering cliffs rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, creating a spectacle of natural grandeur that leaves onlookers in awe. As the waves crash against the rugged cliffs, the air is filled with the salty tang of the sea, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of nature. Next on our journey through Ireland's countryside is the Ring of Kerry. This scenic drive takes you through some of the country's most picturesque landscapes, from rugged coastlines to lush green valleys. The Ring of Kerry is more than just a drive. It's an experience that immerses you in the tranquility and beauty of Ireland's rural heartland. And then there's the Giant's Causeway, an intriguing natural wonder and UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, thousands of hexagonal basalt columns rise from the sea, the result of a volcanic eruption millions of years ago. The Giant's Causeway is steeped in myth and legend, adding a touch of magic to this already enchanting landscape. The Irish countryside is more than just a collection of beautiful landscapes. It's a place where you can find peace, where you can listen to the wind rustling through the trees, watch the clouds roll across the sky, and feel the rhythm of the earth beneath your feet. It's a place where you can disconnect from the noise of the world and connect with nature, with yourself and with the timeless beauty of Ireland. As the sun sets over the Emerald Hills, we leave the countryside behind and set our sights on Ireland's cultural treasures. Ireland, a land steeped in history and culture, invites us to delve deeper. Imagine stepping through the door of a local Irish pub where the air is filled with the rich aroma of stout and the enchanting sound of a fiddle playing a traditional tune. You're immediately embraced by the warm, buzzing atmosphere, a testament to the Irish people's hospitality and convivial nature. Now, picture yourself pulling up a stool at the bar, where the bartender greets you with a friendly nod. With a smooth pint of Guinness or maybe a shot of world-renowned Irish whiskey in hand, you become an observer, a participant, a part of the lively banter and storytelling that's as much a part of Irish culture as the drinks being served. As the evening progresses, the music swells. A local band strikes up a lively reel, their fingers dancing over the strings of their instruments. The pub-goers tap their feet and clap their hands, some even taking to the floor to perform a spontaneous jig. The music is infectious, a rhythm that seeps into your soul and makes you feel a part of something larger, something timeless. But what's an evening at an Irish pub without indulging in some hearty, authentic Irish cuisine? The menu is a gastronomic love letter to the country's agricultural heritage. From the succulent, slow-cooked Irish stew brimming with tender chunks of lamb and root vegetables, to the fresh, creamy seafood chowder served with a side of soda bread, each dish is a delicious testament to Ireland's culinary traditions. And as you take that last sip of your drink, finishing off your meal, you find yourself immersed in the culture, the history, the very essence of Ireland. You've tasted the flavors, heard the melodies, felt the warmth, and experienced the hearty spirit of the Irish people. With hearts full of Irish melodies and bellies full of hearty food, we move on to the final leg of our journey. In the heart of this beautiful land, opportunities to learn and grow abound. Ireland, known for its breathtaking landscapes and warm hospitality, is also a hub for educational excellence. Particularly, if you're looking to master the English language, this is a destination to consider. Here's why. The quality of education in Ireland is renowned worldwide. Irish institutions offer a wide range of English language courses tailored to various proficiency levels. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, there's a course designed to meet your needs. The curriculum is comprehensive, covering all aspects of the language: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And the best part? You get to learn in small, intimate classes, ensuring personalized attention from experienced, passionate teachers. But learning English in Ireland is not just about textbooks and classrooms. It's about immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment. It's about ordering a cup of coffee in English, striking up a conversation with the friendly local at the grocery store, or perhaps even singing along at a traditional Irish music session. Every interaction is a chance to practice and perfect your English skills. Furthermore, Irish people are known for their friendliness and love for conversation. They're always ready for a chat, making them the perfect language partners. So while you're exploring the stunning landscapes, the historic castles, or the bustling cities of Ireland, you're also constantly practicing and improving your English. Finally, studying English in Ireland also means experiencing the rich Irish culture firsthand. It's about understanding the English language in its cultural context, the idioms, the slang, the humor. All these elements make learning English in Ireland a unique, enriching experience. As we bid farewell to the Emerald Isle, we carry with us not just memories of a beautiful journey, but also the gift of a new language. A language learned not just in classrooms, but in the streets, the pubs, the shops, and the hearts of the Irish people. As our Irish adventure comes to an end, we can't help but look back at the journey we've had. We've roamed the vibrant streets of Dublin, soaked in the culture, and basked in the charm of the Irish countryside. Each destination, a story waiting to be told. Each encounter, a memory to be cherished. We dived into the richness of Irish culture and tasted its unique flavors. We've seen how Ireland is not just a place to visit, but a place to learn and grow. We discovered exceptional English language schools that offer a blend of learning and exploration, making every lesson a delightful experience. So whether you're planning your next vacation or looking for a study abroad destination, consider Ireland. Here you'll find a land that's rich in history, steeped in culture and welcoming to all. In Ireland, every goodbye is not the end, but a promise to return. Until next time, Slán go Foil, Ireland.